Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for coming to Meet the Teacher. This is Health Science 2 Honors at Green Hope High School. My name is Robin Wilhelmy. I teach Health Science 1 and Health Science 2 here at Green Hope. I am super excited for this semester because a lot of your students I already know, and I know what great and hard workers they are. So we're going to have a great semester in this class. This class is a little bit different than Health Science 2. We'll talk about that in a minute. First, we're going to talk about me. You can call me Mrs. Wilhelmy, Mrs. W. I have 20 years of experience in healthcare working as a physical therapist, and I have worked in 3 different states and hospitals, private practices, home healthcare settings. So I have a lot of knowledge about different environments and different locations around the country and the different rules that may apply depending on where you're working. Personally, I have 2 kids, a middle schooler and a high schooler. We have 2 very large dogs. We do dog foster care. Our family is really active in that, and we like to be outside and do fun outside activities. So my goal for these students is that they become knowledgeable and informed individuals about the healthcare system, their own personal health, and my hope helps them to determine if they want to continue going on in healthcare. Now, my assumption is if they're taking the level 2 class, that they want to go into some type of healthcare, either in college where they're going to go and obtain additional skills, or wanting to go into a certification right outside of high school, like the pharmacy tech certification, which we're offering that's new this year. For that certification, students can get their level 1 pharmacy technician right out of high school, doing the class through the school, which is awesome. All right, so this is our new curriculum. So there are quite a few things that are different, and some of the content is the same, but they have it set up a little bit differently. And this course is to help students expand their understanding of the healthcare industry, including employability skills. That's going to be our first unit. We have quite a bit of work to do in that section. Safety and infection control, clinical skills. All right. We are also going to go through BLS and CPR skills to the best of our ability, working remotely or in class if we get to. There are a lot of projects and team activities. That is because in the healthcare setting, you will need to collaborate with a multitude of other people for the best care of the patient. So we practice that a lot in this class. So students will be expected to be in the live sessions because they will be in groups working on different things that they need to do for the course. All right, so this is new and exciting. Grading is as followed. So that PBM, that is a new component that is new for several people's curriculums this year in the career and technical education. 40% of your grade is going to count for performance-based measurement. What that is different parts throughout the course are these specific tasks that the students must pass and master, and that's 40% of their grade. All right. Class projects are 30%. Again, we have a collaborative effort. So when you are doing projects with your group, or if we have an independent project for the class, that is a higher weight than some other things here. Classwork is going to be 15%. Those are little daily tasks that I may ask you to do, and quizzes are 15%. Notice there's a huge part of something missing that's normally missing on this grading information, and that is tests. You can see there is no test here. The performance-based measurement has taken place over the test, and that means there's no final exam. Your performance-based measurement, if you look on the right-hand side of your total grade, is 20%. So you're going to be graded as you go along in the performance-based measurement, and then your total performance-based measure for the entire semester will be 20% of the grade. If students have a problem on some of the tasks that they need to complete, they will have the option of one redo for a higher grade if they choose. Kind of talked about that, and it's going to look at different students' portfolios. They'll have all these items kept in one place, and I'll show them how to do that. They have to score 70% or more on the performance-based measurement to be considered passing. And this is how it's broken down. So when we are in our first section, section 1, part 1, they have a task to do for that. This first task is going to be making a resume. There's an interview. There is a job application. all of those kind of things go together. That's going to be the first 10% of their grade. And it goes down through the units, and as we go through the course, they will have different things that they are assigned to do that go into this performance-based measure. Again, these are all determined by the state of North Carolina. They aren't assignments I make up. They're standard assignments that the students must complete. Classroom expectations. So students will be kind and respectful of themselves and others. We are going to follow all of the Green Hope High School rules and procedures. Be present and attentive during live virtual learning sessions. That means that you are expected to be on class. Your students are expected to be in class during our class time. That is posted in the Google Classroom site. And they're expected to submit assignments on time, just like if they were in school. Class information, you can always contact me by email. It's rwilhelmy@wcpss.net. I have a Google site under the Green Hope School website under the staff section. And our class is on Google Classroom. Your students all have received an email. A lot of them have already signed up for Google Classroom. So there is a link that explains for them to sign up for the class. All right, so I hope you guys have a good night, and contact me again with any questions. Again, your students are amazing, and I look forward to working with them this year.